What's up, guys? It's Lethal Weapon. Before we start off, I'd like to thank everybody for checking into my channel, watching this video, and supporting us 100%. Thank you guys. Okay, so this right here is my 1969 Camaro. It's got a 496 big block with a 2-speed power glide, 4-link suspension, complete fiberglass front end with fiberglass trunk lid. So right now I'm working on the plexiglass. The plexiglass that it has is weathered and a little worn out, kind of faded. So I decided to just give it a little makeover and give it some brand new plexiglass. So let's get right into that. So as you guys can see, this plexiglass is weathered and scratched up and all that. So let's go ahead and replace that. Okay, so now that we've got the interior rivets removed, we're gonna go ahead and move to the outside now. All the rivets out now. The window should come out pretty easy. Go there. There it is, guys. All right, guys, so I've got my old plexiglass right here on top of my new plexiglass. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clamp them down together. That way I can get a nice, good, marking so I can see where to cut. So let's go ahead and line this up here. We'll give it some slack on both sides. All right, that'll do. So let's put this one up here. Since I'm using my material sparingly, I'm trying to just cut just enough to where everything works out. Alrighty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mark this coming all the way through. Okay, so we have our plexiglass traced out now. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these clamps. All right, guys, so I've got the new plexiglass cut out. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and drill the new holes on here, but before I do that, I'm going to clamp them down again. We don't want them to move. We want our holes exactly where they're supposed to go. So, without further ado, here it is. All right, guys, so we've got our new plexiglass cut out. Let's see if it fits. Well, it looks like a pretty good fit up, guys. It's better than what it was by far. So let's go ahead and rivet it up and get it on. Okay, guys, so we've got the new plexiglass riveted on. As you can see, this is the old one right here. It is dirty, cracked, hazy. It's got paint on it. It's just no coming back from this, guys. So yeah, there it is. Here's our first plexiglass install. Thank you, guys. All right, guys, so that about sums it up for this video. Before I sign off, I want to thank everybody for the support that I've had. I've had an outstanding amount of support, and it's crazy because this is something I never thought I would be doing or would ever try, but you guys pushed me to do this and I loved it. So I will be doing more videos. I'm sorry that the quality is not the best. My content is not the best, and I know that, but I just hope you guys can work with me until, we get into some better things. This is something that I'm barely getting my toes wet in, and I really hope you guys could understand that. If there's anything that you guys feel I need to improve on, feel free to drop a comment below. Anything that you guys feel that I need to correct, like I said, leave a comment. So yeah, there it is. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. It's lethal_weapon956. Under Facebook, it's just Lethal Weapon. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I just hope you guys enjoyed the video, and tune in next time.